Chrysler Pacifica / Voyager from Brawnability with a rear entry ramp. This ramp is ideal for slightly wider chairs due to the wider ramp. You have a key fob that will open your liftgate. The ramp is manual. Unlock the ramp with the tab. Make sure you pull the handle. The ramp is very lightweight and easy to open. You will manually lower the ramp for wheelchair entry. Once the wheelchair is in and secured, you can close the ramp with the handle, folds in. Make sure to give it a last push to make sure it doesn't vibrate and make extra noise. Again, you can use the key fob to close your liftgate. And that's how easy it is to use the Brawnability manual rear entry van.